الله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. ألم نشرح لك صدرك ووضعنا عنك وزرك الذي أنقض ظهرك ورفعنا لك ذكرك فإن مع العسر يسرا إن مع العسر يسرا فإذا فرغت فانصب وإلى ربك فارغب. صدق الله مولانا.
It's a very proud moment to welcome Dr. Maqsood Ahmad Saheb, consultant neurosurgeon, FRCS, international MCH, MRCS, fellowship interventional neuroradiology, Zurich, chief consultant neurosurgery, Manipal Hospital. He has passed his FRCS international exam conducted by the Giant Royal College of United Kingdom all over the world. This is a competition from all over the world, and he has stood number one as first rank throughout the world. It's a proud moment for the community, for the society, and he has been awarded the Giant College Gold Medal at the Royal College of Surgeons of England on 27/3/26. My dear friends, डॉक्टर मकसूद साहब, इनकी परछाई क्या भी करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है। आप अच्छी तरह जानते हैं तो बरसों से जो है इन्होंने कौम की खिदमत, अल्लाह के फजल से उनकी जो सोच थी उस सोच के मुताबिक उन्होंने डॉक्टर बनाया, और डॉक्टर भी वो भी न्यूरो सर्जन, जो मेंटल सर्जरी, जो पूरा जो क्रिटिकल आइटम्स रहते हैं उसके इसमें ये माहिर हैं। तकरीबन more than 4,000 to 5,000 surgeries he has done over his period, and he is serving as a chief consultant in Manipal Hospital. आज के इस occasion पे the board of management had taken a decision that जैसे इनका ये award confer हुआ तो we wanted that as a community, as a society, हम लोग जो है it becomes a privilege on our part that we should invite him or we should honor him. ये हमारे लिए बहुत अहम और ज़रूरी है। तो इस वजह से लास्ट मीटिंग में ये डिसीजन लिया गया, एंड आई सिंपली जस्ट टेलीफोन टू हिम दैट ऐसा एक हमारा प्रोग्राम है और हमारी ख्वाहिश है बोलकर डॉक्टर साहब फौरन जो है इंशाअल्लाह आप जो भी डेट फिक्स करेंगे मैं आता हूं बोलकर आप सुनाए थे। आज बोर्ड मीटिंग है, पूरे डायरेक्टर्स मौजूद हैं। इसी ज़मन में जो है आज इनकी इज्जत अफजाई होगी। मैं डॉक्टर रऊफ साहब से गुजारिश करता हूं कि लेट हिम उनका ब्रीफ जो एजेंडा है वो उस पर बात करें।
Great pleasure, honor and privilege to stand before you today as we gather to felicitate a remarkable individual, Dr. Maqsood Ahmad, neurosurgeon. He has secured gold medal in FRCS neurosurgery examination conducted by Royal College of Surgeons of London. Felicitation is a heartfelt expression of gratitude, respect, and admiration. Accomplishments are never accidental. They are the result of countless hours of effort, unwavering focus, and courage to overcome challenges. About Dr. Maqsood Ahmad, he studied his MBBS from BMC, Bangalore, MCS neurosurgery from England, and he obtained fellowship in interventional neuroradiology from Zurich, Switzerland, and MRCS, and again FRCS, as we know that he secured first rank and a gold medal, which is a rare occasion, moment for the community and the individual also. A senior consultant neurosurgeon with extensive experience in complex cranial vascular, endovascular, and spine surgeries, complex spinal instrumentation, CV junction fixations, neuro-oncology, pediatric and epilepsy surgeries. With 2 decades of independent neurosurgical practice. He is a chief consultant of Manipal Hospital, Mysore, and director consultant neurosurgery Alvansar Hospital from 2017 till date. He has many publications, and his name is publications in his name in neurosurgery. On behalf of everyone present over here, I extend our sincere appreciation and congratulations.
सर एक प्राउड मोमेंट है आपके लिए सर। पेशे से तो आप डॉक्टर हैं, लेकिन सारे मुल्क और दुनिया में अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह आपका जो अखलाक आपने तमाम लोगों ने बता दिया सर। बेसिकली आपका क्या पैगाम है सर?
Well, first of all, I want to thank the board of directors, President Saab. Many of you are my personal friends and family friends. Some of you are my patients. Alhamdulillah. Every felicitation, every success, every milestone, Sir was telling that it is due to hard work, but I would say it is due to the mercy of the Creator.
That is one first.
And the cooperation and help of the creation. Mercy of the Creator, help from the creation. Otherwise, probably people would not reach where they reach. So, in turn, every success should make that person more closer to the Creator and to the creation. So, on this occasion, I thank all of you and then pray to Allah that Allah makes us more closer to Him. And one request to all the directors, mashallah, you have a stellar group of directors of the bank. There are doctors, there are auditors, there are senior professors, there are politicians. I mean, you can't have a better group than this to run an organization. This organization should also take us closer to Allah and His Rasul. That would be my advice to you. Sit down, use your energies, your thoughts, come up with solutions which can make us closer to Allah and His Rasul. It is possible. When we try, ways will open up, inshallah. Thank you. Jazakallah.
Your message for youth, sir, especially for youth.
Yeah.
My message to the youth, there are no shortcuts in life. Work hard. The path will be painful, the ways will have thorns in the way. You will fall, you need to get up and then keep walking. उर्दू में क्या कि शेर शायरी है ना, उर्दू के एक्सपर्ट्स हैं। गिरते हैं शहसवार ही मैदान जंग में, वो तिफल क्या गिरे जो घुटनों के बल चले। That is my advice to all the youth. Life is going to be difficult. Set your targets. वो हॉर्स को बंद डालते ना साइड में, वो बंद को चलो, अदरवाइज डिस्ट्रैक्शंस बहुत हैं. पीपल डोंट वांट यू टू सक्सीड, स्पेशली इन आवर सिटी. यूथ की हालत बहुत खराब है. There are a lot of distractions. People are wanting our community boys to go down, especially the boys. Girls, alhamdulillah, are doing good. Last time के result में भी the results have been much good as far as girls are concerned. My special advice to the boys out there, please, you have the best of the potential inside you. तुम्हें लोग uncut diamonds. You just need a little bit of chiseling here, a little bit of chiseling there. Parents will chisel you, teachers will chisel you. Don't run away from this chiseling. You will turn out to be polished diamonds, inshallah, and you can change the world, you can change our country, you can change our community. Please work hard, do not get distracted. You will be successful, inshallah. Thank you.
अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह, मैं अल्लाह पाक परवरदिगार का जितना भी शुक्रिया अदा करे तो कम है कि हमारी कौम से डॉक्टर मकसूद अहमद साहब, जो कंसल्टेंट न्यूरोसर्जन FRCS, इंटरनेशनल MCH, MRCS, फेलोशिप इन इंटरवेंशनल न्यूरो रेडियोलॉजी ज़ुरिच, चीफ कंसल्टेंट न्यूरोसर्जिकल मणिपाल हॉस्पिटल, इन्होंने फर्स्ट रैंक में FRCS इंटरनेशनल एग्ज़ाम, जो जॉइंट रॉयल कॉलेज ऑफ यूनाइटेड किंगडम, ऑल ओवर द वर्ल्ड से जो एग्ज़ाम होता है, वहाँ पर फर्स्ट अटेम्प्ट में और फर्स्ट रैंक में पास किया है. सारे देश के लिए, स्टेट के लिए, कम्युनिटी के लिए, यहाँ तक कि वर्ल्ड के लिए जो है, वी आर प्राउड ऑफ आवर कम्युनिटी एंड द सोसाइटी। डॉक्टर साहब के खिदमात जो हैं बहुत आला हैं। तकरीबन इनके ओवर द पीरियड ऑफ फ्यू ईयर्स 4000 से 5000 ऑपरेशंस, क्रिटिकल ऑपरेशंस उन्होंने सक्सेसफुल ऑपरेशंस इन्होंने किए हैं। एंड ही इज ए वेरी पायस पर्सन, पंजगाना नमाजी, बाकायदा जो है अल्लाह के नाम से घर से निकलते हैं, ऑपरेशंस कर कर जो है वापस घर पहुंचते हैं। तो जो है जहां भी कम्युनिटी में जो भी वीकर सेक्शंस का जो भी एक मौका मिलता है, हमारे कभी एक फोन अगर उनको चला जाता है तो फौरन जो है उनका इम्पोर्टेंट अपॉइंटमेंट रहने के बावजूद उन लोगों को बुलाकर प्रायोरिटी में जो है गरीब गुरबा का उनका भी जो साथ देने में बहुत मदद किए हैं और कम्युनिटी को बहुत साथ देते आए हैं। ये हमारा फर्ज बनता है कि हम लोग हमारी कम्युनिटी से इनको ऑनर करें। ये एक मौका हमें मिला था द मुस्लिम कोऑपरेटिव बैंक के जानिब से, सारे डायरेक्टर्स जमकर जो है एक डिसीजन हम लोग लिए थे कि उन्हें बुलाकर हम यहाँ पर आज उनकी इज्जत अफजाई करें। तो आज एक मौका हमें मिला, बहुत खुशी हो रही है कि हमें इस मौके पर डॉक्टर साहब की इज्जत अफजाई कर रहे हैं। हाँ जी, डॉक्टर साहब एक तो पंजगाना नमाजी और उसके साथ में जब भी घर से निकलते हैं तो वो अपने वालिदैन की दुआ लेकर और नमाज पूरी बाकायदा नमाज के बाद में जो है उन्होंने निकलते हैं और बाकायदा हर एक नमाज के एक पूरी पाबंदी के साथ निभा रहे हैं। एक मैसेज था, इनफैक्ट यू हैव टू कम टुडे। आज उनका प्रोग्राम 4 बजे तक भी यहाँ पर आने का था, तो कल बैंगलोर में कुछ एक हादसे होने के बाद में कुछ कॉल्स आए हुए हैं बोलकर कल 4 बजे यहाँ से निकल गए हैं। उस वक्त उन्होंने अपने दिल की गहराइयों से डॉक्टर मकसूद साहब को मुबारकबाद पेश किए हैं। तो उनका एक मैसेज मैं आपको पास
please convey my thanks also to MLA Saab. It's been quite some time that we met. Inshallah, looking forward to meeting him.
Yes. He has been my extended family first of all, and my own doctor too. Maybe not for past 7 years, maybe more than 10 to 12 years, sir. And I first saw him when he got married. He was sitting on the stage with the dulha ka sehra. He is my extended family. His father, Mr. Abdul Rahman from Kolar, a wonderful, simple couple who gave such a great personality to the community of Muslim community as a whole. Mr. Maqsood has finished his schooling from Kolar, and then they shifted to Bangalore, and I think he finished in National College, PUC, and then he joined Bangalore Medical College and went on to do his post-graduation at NIMHANS, where a lot of his friends were my seniors in RLB, BARs, when there also they had invited him for a wonderful speech, and we were all honored. And today I really feel proud when Dr. Maqsood, I met in Vikram Hospital, when he joined Vikram Hospital in Mysore first. He was such a humble person that he never to take fees in Vikram Hospital. I don't know what made him do so. And he has created a benchmark status for every Muslim doctor. As I see, his name has traveled all of Mysore, Karnataka. I think now it's a national name. Anytime you Google his name, it is there on the #1 spot. And I think he finished 5 years back from Zurich. He has done his microscopic neurosurgeries, where how the clot is removed from the heart, the same way he removes it through microscopic through the brain veins. Exactly. I think so. That was one of a kind of surgery when he came there, and he did, and he came back, and as a consultant to the Manipal hospitals, he was heading Manipal hospitals for a few years. And now, actually, this gold medal came later. I think he's finished his exams 2 months before itself. A year back. This exams were finished 1 year back, for which convocation was called, and he traveled all the way to London to receive it. and it's an immense proud moment for the family. His father-in-law, Mr. Riazuddin, director and chairman of Alexa Hospitals, a very humble person, very simple, and these people have been his guiding light, I feel. All these people around him, 19 doctors from one family holding the Al-Ansar flag is not a joke. It's a great proud moment for us that he's amongst us, and I really, really congratulate you, sir. And may you have much more feathers in your cap in the future. All the best.
यार मैंने देखा S1 म्हणजे फर्स्ट 2 years बोले थे नहीं कराना अगर नहीं कराता था फाइनली आई वेंट टू हिम और डॉक्टर साहब बोले थे नहीं 1 साल पहले बोले थे तो मैं डायरेक्ट ऑपरेशन थिएटर को आती हूँ जैसा इन द सेम वे डायरेक्ट ऑपरेशन थिएटर को गया कैसा एंड 7 years हो गए अभी फिर वो आई एम complete like or same